It's Mahina Olelo Hawaii, Hawaiian Language Month, and there are so many ways to learn, connect, and celebrate.
All right, here's a fun one for the entire ohana. Head to the Bishop Museum for the official premiere of Moana 2, Maka Olelo Hawaii in Hawaii. Now, here to tell us more is voice actor Pualalea Panaewa, aka Loto.
Hi,
how you
sis.
tita? Welcome, welcome.
And our associate producer, Kahanu Cuban, who joins us as well. How you doing, my brother?
Good.
Aloha mai kako to the both of you folks. Now, Kahanu, can you please tell us about Moana 2 and how this special collaboration with Disney worked out?
Yes, so I work for Detail Hawaii, so we are a partner to Cuban Productions, which is the producer of this film, Moana ʻŌlelo Maka Olelo Hawaii. And we're so excited to announce that we have our premiere this weekend. And our process was just amazing. And as a former kumu Olelo Hawaii at Pualalea, it was great to see our kamali'i, thrive in Olelo Hawaii and uplift and really normalize our Olelo Hawaii and see their favorite characters on the big screen and their leo Maka Olelo Hawaii. So it was a great experience, and we're so happy to collaborate with Disney and have Olelo Hawaii on Disney Plus.
That is so cool, and I'm sure you guys are going to get chicken skin when you see the audience watching it for the first time. Doing all of that. Now, Pualalea, I have to ask you, can you share a little bit about, because you voiced Loto, as we mentioned. How was that experience for you?
It was a very rewarding experience for me. I am still a haumana of Olelo Hawaii. I'm still a student. So it was also a big learning experience for me, but also just so special in the sense that I'm voicing this character in like our mother tongue, and like my nephews are going to be able to see that. Yes. It was very much a rewarding experience, being able to voice Maka Olelo Hawaii, knowing that this is for keiki, for the lahui, for future generations to be able to see. And
it's forever. That's amazing.
Yes.
Have you done this before?
I have. I actually recently worked on a project called Molly of Denali. It's a PBS show about an Alaskan Native kid. They had a Hawaii special episode in collaboration with Scott Kekama, a native Hawaiian filmmaker, and I got to voice a Hawaiian character on there as well.
Nice.
Well, I just love the fact that your voice was lent to one of the stronger wahine characters in this movie.
Yes.
She's an engineer. And most oftentimes you think, wahine, okay, they just stay home, they take care of kids, but you are out there with Moana, not you, specifically your voice is out there with Moana on the va'a, you chopping things up and you are creating. So I just love that about you. But more than anything, you've been able to take your Olelo Hawaii as well as your desire to act and do drama and marry these two together. It's a beautiful thing. We see a lot of Olelo in the educational space, which is very important. But I also love seeing Olelo out in other places, whether it's acting or in movies, and it's a beautiful thing. What do you hope that our keiki are going to take away from this movie watching community gathering experience coming up at Bishop Museum?
Yeah, and as a associate producer in the film, when I was watching the kamali'i Olelo Hawaii, I can see the confidence in them and their maoli ola Hawaii just activating, and that ha'aheoness in them that they wanna Olelo Hawaii in these spaces, and especially in production, right? We're not kama'aina, or we don't really see much Olelo Hawaii in this new space, so it's so awesome to see it being normalized in this space. And I hope that our kamali'i can really take this as an opportunity and as a platform to normalize Olelo Hawaii. And really, it opens up so much opportunities for kamali'i. And hopefully we can have more movies, Maka Olelo Hawaii.
Yes, and you heard it, Kumu Olelo Hawaii, he said ha'aheoness. No, you know why?
I got busted yesterday for saying holo holo wing.
Oh, yeah. We get blasted, we get letters saying, how come you putting ing on that? So, Kumu Olelo Hawaii said
it.
Hey, we have our feet in both worlds, English and Olelo Hawaii. We can marry it when we want to.
Yes.
Absolutely. And we encourage you to check it out, Bishop Museum. It is happening February 15th for that premiere screening, free and open to families. Just make sure you register online. Pualalea Panaewa, our voice of Loto, make sure you look for her character. And of course, Kahanu Cuban, thank you so much for joining us and helping us to celebrate Mahina Olelo Hawaii.
Aloha. Olelo.